Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you think it's tough to save money because of your income? Are you willing to stop living from paycheck to paycheck? Are you tired of how chaotic your life becomes after mismanaging your money? Not to worry, in this video I have a simple secret that will show you some budgeting hacks that will help you keep track of your money, stay on budget, and basically show you how to manage your money. I will tell you a few tips, and being intentional about these tips will be a great help in saving your money and getting your life together. Budgeting is essential, especially if your income is low. But if your income is high, you can often get away with some spending mistakes. If you don't have a good financial habit, you'll be living from paycheck to paycheck forever. To do better is to live within your means and work on changing your mentality. When it comes to money spending and budgeting, it's crucial to understand where your money is going. You could start by creating an ideal portfolio that reflects the following steps. The first of which is making a meal plan. One of the highest budget busters is food. The rate at which people spend on food is enormous, and people will continue to overspend on the food each time they eat. For example, an average American family of 5 with 2 kids under 5 years of age is likely to spend up to $1,000 on groceries. Yikes. It is pretty easy to walk down those aisles grabbing a few bags of chips, a bag of Oreos, chocolates, and some other goodies at the register. But those unnecessary little purchases are budget busters. They may seem inexpensive, but will continually add up till you have nothing to save. So if you're willing to stick to your budget every month, create a meal plan for the week. Be sure you cook simple meals that you enjoy and you can take to work. Second step, create a savings account you aren't tempted to touch the money. Sometimes saving money is not fun at all. If you are the kind of person that struggles with shopping on impulse, the chances that you'll dip into your savings are high. To avoid all this from reoccurring, separating your savings from emergency funds and your checking account completely will be of great help. You can start by finding a trusted online savings account. They make it quite difficult to withdraw, and this will help you save a lot more money in the future. The third step, reduce your spending habit on expensive things. When trying to save money when making large purchases in cash, start with negotiation skills. Whether you're buying appliances, furniture, or even doing repairs, you might be lucky to get them at a discounted price, so it won't hurt to ask. What are you waiting for? Just ask. Step 4. Shop at thrift stores. Thrift stores are definitely not the place for every purchase, but they are good spots to get some cute jeans that go up for a few dollars. Funny enough, I got the best pair of jeans I own at the moment at a thrift store. Secondhand stores and thrift stores are also great spots for sports, gear, furniture. You could repaint them and have them cleaned, jackets, frames, and many more. Step 5, avoid owing debt. Having to pay debt monthly is the most significant money leakage. When it comes to saving, debt robs you of your income. So it is high time you start avoiding debt. The fastest way to pay your debt is to pay them off in order from smallest to biggest. Sounds easy, right? That's because it's more about the right attitude than numbers. Once you're free from debt, getting a hold of your savings progress will not be that difficult. Step 6, cut out automatic subscriptions and memberships. The chances that you're paying for many subscriptions like Spotify, Netflix, Hulu, gym membership, Amazon Prime, and trendy subscription boxes are very high. These subscriptions are leakages. It's about time to stop all or cut some out, especially the subscriptions you don't use all the time. And make sure you put off your auto-renew when you make purchases. For those subscriptions you cannot do without, try sharing memberships with friends and family. For instance, streaming services like Hulu and Netflix allow you to watch your favorite shows from 2 or more screens. That way, everyone wins, and most importantly, you get to save. Step 7, put things that you don't need in your apartment up for sale. Decluttering the things you don't need and things you're willing to let go of for the sake of your financial future is a vital hack that will help you save more money. That vintage furniture a family member gave you, let them go. That old vase just lying there, sell it. You would be amazed at how many clutters you had in your apartment and the cool cash you can make by just clearing irrelevant things. Step 8, lower energy cost. You can save your money on your electricity bills by altering some things in your home. You can begin by taking shorter showers. Nope, I didn't mention fewer, but shorter. Doing laundry with cold tap water, installing LED light bulbs and dimmer switches, Try putting off electric appliances that are not in use to reduce the cost of electric bills. Remember, the goal is to save more. Step 9, make clear goals with your money and go back to them often. If you want to see a drastic change with your money, then it's high time you started to get serious about setting clear goals. Make sure to set goals that are specific and can be traced back over time. When you feel you're starting to lose focus, go back to them. Get your friends to do it with you. You could even display quotes that will guide your financial plan on your refrigerator, your bedroom door, and even on the bedroom walls. Note writing and reading quotes will not get you there, but you would reap your rewards with consistency and determination. Was this video helpful? Did you enjoy it as much as we did? We are sure you did. Just show your support by liking and sharing this video. And don't forget to hit the like button also. I'll see you guys next time on the next video.